Welcome to Beautyistic. Are you tired of reapplying your lipstick every few hours? You're not alone. It's a common struggle, but what if the solution to long-lasting lipstick is simpler than you think? Today, we're diving into the common mistakes that prevent your lipstick from sticking around and the quick fixes to keep it in place all day. Let's start with the biggest culprit: dry lips. Applying lipstick to chapped, flaky lips is a sure way to see your color disappear faster than you'd like. So exfoliate first. Use a lip scrub or a soft toothbrush to gently buff away dead skin. Follow it up with a hydrating lip balm. This creates a smooth base for your lipstick to latch onto, ensuring it lasts longer. Next up, it's all about the prep. I can't stress enough how important it is to prime your lips. Just like your face, your lips need a little primer. Lip primers are designed to create a smooth canvas, helping your lipstick grip better. If you don't have one, a thin layer of foundation or concealer on your lips will do the trick. This step also helps cancel out any natural lip color, making your lipstick pop more. Now let's talk about the formula you're using. Matte lipsticks are often the go-to for staying power, but they can also be drying. So if you're using a matte lipstick, be sure to use a moisturizing lip liner underneath. Lip liners not only define your lips, but also create a barrier to prevent feathering and fading. For those of you who love a glossy finish, keep in mind that glosses tend to slip and slide. To make your gloss last, layer it over a matte lipstick. That way, you get the shine without sacrificing longevity. Another common mistake? Over-applying your lipstick. Layering too much product on your lips might seem like it'll make it last longer, but it can actually have the opposite effect. Apply a thin, even layer of lipstick and blot it with a tissue. Then, apply another light layer. This helps lock in the color and reduces the risk of smudging. Speaking of smudging, let's not forget the importance of setting. Yes, you can set your lips just like your face. Lightly dust a translucent powder over your lips using a brush. This seals the color in place, preventing it from transferring to cups, clothes, or your fingers. And finally, stay away from oily foods. Lipstick and oil do not mix well. Oils break down the pigments, leading to a quicker fade. If you're eating something oily, be prepared to reapply or opt for a more transfer-proof formula. So what's the secret to long-lasting lipstick? It's all about the prep, the right formula, and setting it in place. And don't forget to avoid overloading your lips with too much product. What's the first step you'll take toward fixing your lipstick woes? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell so you never miss a beauty tip from Beautyistic. We think you'll love the next video we have in store for you. Thanks so much for watching.